Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to make another Christmas decor using cardboard. I will show you how to make a sparkling Christmas lantern on a budget. So please watch the whole video because it really gives your home a beautiful and glam effect. If you are new to my channel, please do like, subscribe, and share my video. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated on my next and future videos. Enjoy watching! First, I will measure the board 1 inch and cut it. Now, measure 13 inches. Then mark the middle with your cutter with no too much force, just enough to bend the board. We need 4 of this. All the list of the materials that I use in this project will be in the description section below. Cut 4 pieces of 1 by 5 inches of cardboard, then glue every end of it to create a square. Do the same thing with the 4 pieces of half by 5 inches of cardboard strips. Now, glue the 13 inches of tall board to the inside corner of the thick square, and glue the other end of the tall board to the outside corner of the thin square. Then cut 4 pieces of 13 inches tall by half inch thick and 4 pieces of 5 by half inch for the window of the lantern. Then glue it like this. Now, I'll make the base by cutting 2 pieces of 6 by 6 inches and a half by 6 inches to a cardboard. Now, cut the lampshade shape for the roof of the lantern, then using a masking tape, connect it side by side. Now time to assemble the roof by gluing it to the square board. You can also use hot glue for more stronghold. Then, cover the top. For the tip of the lantern, I will be using a kitchen towel roll, handkerchief hanger, and the lid of a broken jar. First, I will cut the hanger with a metal saw blade. Be careful in using the blade, guys. I have enough cut to stick it through the kitchen towel roll, but first poke a hole, then fix it with hot glue. Then, glue the lid in the middle of the hanger. Now, make pattern from a cardboard. Any pattern will do. After cutting the 16 pieces of pattern, I will glue the base to the body of the lantern. Use the first 4 pattern and glue at the bottom as the stand. The 8 pieces will go to the body of the lantern and the last 4 is for the roof of the lantern. Poke a small hole and put a hook under the roof. This will be the inside design will be hanging. Now, I'm ready to spray paint the lantern with silver. For embellishment, I will use diamond wrap and put it all over the lantern. I will also put a white and gold ribbon at the top. And here is my version of Christmas lantern made up of cardboard. I also put a battery operated fairy lights to sparkle it more. I hope you like my Christmas lantern, guys. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Write some comments and please do share my video. I'm so close to reach the 4,000 watch hours, so please guys, let's do this to help my channel and let's make more DIYs in the future. Thanks so much and God bless. Bye guys!